Okay, so here I am in Challenge Colorful Creature, and it says we have to make a web page about an awesome animal and color the web page to look like it. So I'm going to go over here to the hint, and it says IMG SRC. Now I know that means I need to put an image in, but where am I going to put it over here? I'm going to go to where it says paragraph and then some words and emphasis and then strong and then paragraph. I'm going to put it right above that. So I'm going to come over here and I see all of that, the paragraph and the emphasis. So I'm going to put it on line 13. IMG SRC equal and then quote. It says enter an image URL. And so I'm going to look for one of these creatures. I guess I'll use Mr. Ono's. And I pick that file. And then it says I need an angle bracket to finish it. And so I will put one in. And it says, can you use a strong and emphasis tag to describe it? The Mr. Ono's is awesome because he can be helpful. Okay, even though sometimes he gets on our nerves. Okay, and now on to the next step. It says, now add a CSS rule to change the background of the whole page, inspired by the creature's colors. So anyway, I'm going to go up here where it says body, and that's my hint. Now I'm going to put, I know that I need to put the CSS rules in between the style tags. So I'm going to click right there, and it says body and curly bracket and then something and colon and something and semicolon and curly bracket. But I know that I'm going to use, I'm going to color the background. So I'm going to come down to CSS properties in the documentation. Here's the documentation. Yours might be on the about. Click over to documentation. I'm going to scroll down and go to background color. I might as well. And it will bring up all kinds of examples. Now mine said I needed a body tag. So I'm just going to copy this so I don't make any mistakes. I'm going to take it back to mine, scroll up, and paste it in. Now that changed the background a little bit, but I think I want to change the color even more. Maybe I'll make it a green since Mr. Ono's is green. That looks okay. All right, and then next step, it says now change the CSS rule to change the color of the paragraphs inspired by the creature's color. So now I'm looking for just paragraph, okay? So over here it says P curly bracket something colon something semicolon and curly bracket. So I just did that for here. It looks awfully similar. So I'm just going to paste in the same, but I don't want it to be body. It said I wanted it to be paragraph. So there, I can do, but I'm not supposed to do background color. I can just do the text. So you need to take out the background. So there we go. Let's do next step. Now it says match the heading color. Finally, add a CSS rule to change the color of the heading. So I'm going to take this, I did it for the paragraph, I'm going to copy that, and still up here in the styles, I'm going to paste that and change it to heading 1. I knew how to do that because it was up here, and I think I'll change this color also. There. So there's my colorful creature. Good luck.